welcome to another awesome Mountain Slam adventure.
We're super stoked to be here. We're in BC, Vancouver right now. We're only here for 2 days. It's going to be short and sweet, but we're going to try to jam in a lot of things to do while we're here.
Right, it's Mal's first time, and I used to live out here for a number of years in my 20s, so I thought it'd be a cool time to kind of come back and show her around.
Yeah.
Flights were super cheap, so it worked out really well.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's cherry blossom time.
Look at it, it's so pretty.
Yeah, this only happens for like a week a year, so this is awesome timing. We're gonna go do a bunch of free adventures. Today we're going to Lynn Canyon, and we're gonna go check out the Quarry Rocks. So. Right, yeah.
And tomorrow we don't know, we're just gonna do whatever. We don't know how the weather's going to be. It might rain, so we're just gonna roll with the punches here.
All right, let's get into it.
Just stay tuned.
We're in Lynn Canyon, about to go on a crazy adventure into the bush. And I also think that they have some like natural water slides and stuff. It might be too cold this time of year, but I don't know. We'll check it out. It's gonna be fun.
My soul still hunger.
We just finished our hike at Lynn Canyon. It was so beautiful.
Super awesome.
Yeah,
super fresh out
the
here.
air was crisp and fresh. There was moss everywhere, and we also saw a bear.
Yeah, bear just scampered through the woods. We didn't get anything on video,
No.
but we'll see plenty of more now that we've seen that guy, I'm sure.
It was super quick. He ran away.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a good thing that he ran away, but yeah, we saw a bear, which is amazing. It's so beautiful here. As you can see, there's like moss everywhere, like just like this tree.
Just everything growing off of each other. It's like a big symbiotic forest. It's very cool.
Yeah, but we're really hungry right now, so we're gonna go grab a snack, and then we're gonna go check out Quarry Rock.
Oh yeah, Deep Cove. Let's go.
I remember you. Slow down.
Meet our boy Gus. He's coming on little adventures with us here in BC, Vancouver. We're at Deep Cove right now just to have like a nice little lunch break, and then we're gonna go check out Quarry Rock. It's so beautiful here. It's a cute little town. I'll show you around. Lots of cute restaurants over here. There's a nice like sandwich bagel shop right there, but the lineup's super long, so we'll have to come here another time to try it because I want to know what all the hype's all about. But yeah, definitely have to check this place out. And I think I might move here.
I'm just a coward when it comes to love. 'Cause I'm about words.
It smells amazing.
She go nuts for donuts.
Oh damn. Oh damn. They're worth the wait. They're real good.
Christmas.
Just born, yeah. Oh my God.
Newborn baby Jesus.
Oh,
Oh my god, it's so good.
like funnel cake donut. Oh my God.
Look at that.
So good.
Oh.
Sorry, Chris.
Oh my.
Sorry. Okay, Chris is sad facing it.
He's celiac. He can't have it.
Like this.
So baby, please reveal. Your friends are calling you, baby, stay with me instead. I know you're saying that you're tired.
end of our first day here in Vancouver.
Yeah, it was a big first day. Great first impression. All these beautiful forests and beautiful hikes and stuff.
Yeah.
It was great. We did the Lynn Canyon and the Quarry Rock and
Yeah, and we checked out Deep Cove, which is really nice little cute town.
Yeah.
And everything was free. Well, the hikes were free. The food and whatnot wasn't, but the hikes.
Yeah, we all about that free stuff. You know that.
Yeah, you know that. We're all about the free stuff.
I still think of you in my bed. Love a good time, good time.
You look so small.
Hey guys, another
Hey, guys.
beautiful day here in Vancouver.
Yeah, that's all we get. It's beautiful days.
So we're renting some boats and we're gonna go check out some seals. Fingers crossed we see some seals, guys. I really want to see them.
Yeah.
And hopefully the weather holds off for us because we're gonna go and rent some e-bikes after.
Yeah, so we're gonna explore the water and then we're gonna explore the land. It's gonna be
Yeah.
a whole Vancouver tour day.
Yeah, it's a really great way to like check out Vancouver.
Your love keep lifting me higher than I ever lifted before. So keep it up with my desire, honey. I'm gonna be at your side forevermore. Now you know your love keep lifting me higher than I've ever been lifted before. So keep it up, oh, with this my desire. I'm gonna be at your side forevermore. I was once down and broken hearted, and disappointment was my closest friend. And then in you came in the heated hearted, and you know he never showed his face again. Now you know your love keep lifting me higher than I've ever been lifted before. So to keep it up, which is my desire.
Hey, baby.
So we've been pretty lucky with the weather. It's been sunny this whole time. We rented our bikes from BZ's, which was $45 for 4 hours, which is a really good deal. We got to rip around Seawall, Stanley Park, saw some huge trees. It was amazing. I even hugged one. And now we're here at Third Beach. You can see West End, Vancouver right behind us, which is super, super beautiful. And now we're gonna go to check out Granville Island and check out the markets, get some lobster rolls hopefully. So stay tuned. All right, so we're on our way to Granville Island. We're gonna take a little seaboat there. I believe it's $6 round trip,
Oh, water taxi.
water taxi. And we're gonna hopefully get some lobster roll. So.
Yeah. hungry.
Yeah, we're hungry, so
Get it.
let's go get it.
Listen, darling. I've been watching you for a long time now. But now I want to tell you how I feel about you. You could be my sunshine. You could be my rain. You my inspiration, baby.
Yeah, oh, thank you, Chris, for showing us the Gray Blue Heron shirt.
Ooh, baby. My thing, you're so fine. I just got to make you mine. You can call me in the morning. I'll shine on you like the rising sun. Work for you 7 days a week and make you the only one. Ooh, baby.
So bad.
Put your mouth around it.
So fine.
Yummy.